All right, this one here, this is going to be program number 6. This is doing math with real numbers. So a couple things to remember about math with real numbers. If you are using integers, you are dealing only with whole numbers. If you involve one real number and one integer together, your result is going to be a real number. Okay, that's what this slide here is showing. So our task that we're going to do for this program, now this one is going to be a bit different because I'm not going to show you the completed code. Okay, I'm going to blur that out. So you're going to have to create that yourself. I'll kind of walk through what I'm doing and show the results of it and show my thought process going through it, but you're going to have to figure out how to key this in yourself. So our task here, we're basically making a little calculator. So we're going to take two values from the user, convert them to integers, and put them into two variables, call them number 1, number 2. And then we're going to add them together into a variable called sum. We're going to print that sum to the screen. Let's use numbers 5 and 10 to start with. And then we're going to do an experiment. If you enter in the value of 5.5, what happens if you do that? And then how can you fix that so it does work? And then your final program that you're going to submit as a screenshot will be showing a version of this program that works with real numbers being entered. Okay, so let's give that a try. So let's go ahead and save my previous program here. This one is going to be program 6. Summing real numbers. So I'm going to start off with all my header data. And then get into my program here. So I need to create my variables. Console write. So the next thing I need to do is prompt the operator to give me some data here. And then I'm going to get that data that they enter into my first variable. I'm going to prompt them for second number. And use that. And next I'm going to do some math. Concatenated with my, so a little bit of text concatenated with my result variable. And then hold the screen. I think that is good. I think I have a program there. All right, so let's see if this works. So enter the first number. I'm going to say 23. Enter the second number, 34. Sum is 57. Okay, so I have a working program here. So now it actually asked me to test with 5 and 10. Let's do that. 5, 10. The result is 15. What happens if we say 5.5? 5.5. And my program just breaks. So I get this error code that comes up here. So I'll show you this error. Section is thrown back to the stack. So I get this real number problem here. So basically what happens is the variable that I had, I tried to convert to, I took a string, which is entered from the screen. I tried to convert that into an integer, and the variable I was putting it in was an integer container, and I took 5.5. I tried to convert 5.5 into integer, and the container I was putting it into can't handle a decimal place, basically. So I took a real number, tried to stuff it into an integer. It doesn't know what to do with that. So that gives me an error because I have a data type mismatch, basically. So I need to fix that. So how do we protect against that? So you need to figure out how to do that so you can enter in real numbers to make this work. So I'm going to make a fix to my program to allow this to work. So I need to make a fix in a spot here, I think. I'm trying this for the first time. So I think I did 3 changes. And I'm going to try this again. And the first number, 5.5. Alright, it didn't crash, that's good. Second number is 10. Sum is 15.5. Alright, so I have now a program that works with real numbers. So figure this out, take a screenshot of it, submit this with your programs. This is program number 6.